Ladies and gentlemen, myself gurdeep singh. I'm from Greenway Trading Contracting LLC, and I'm introducing our new kitchen made by us. So first of all, it is made in laminated MDF, and the top, the doors and the drawers sector are made of akralik sheets. And akralik sheet means it's coated with plastic coating on top. And first we have space for the freezer in the starting, and then the leapings we see is in SS stainless steel, right? And then as well as the handles, you can see it's blunt fitting, it's hydraulic, and move, it doesn't touch anything, it's flush, concealed handles. So you push and you open it. And we have inside, like this space for the knives, knives and spoons and etc. The partitions, and it is slow motion closing, so you can see. And as well as here, we have the partitions. Okay. And then you have space for the spices, etc. You want to keep spices, oil, and etc. everything. And then we have in the beginning we are going to have the cooker here. Of course, the Korean stove is not fixed yet. And then we have the dishwasher, and then we have the sink at this place. And sink also, the fittings for the drawer are special. You have the sink bowl is going to come here, and then we have the spaces still to keep things. The drawer is such, and then we have space for the oven, and the next oven, and then we have the microwave, and this corner drawer, it is one. We pull it from one side, either both the sides, anyone. The drawer is activated. You can see the partitions inside as well. Yes. And then again for the spoons and etc. you can keep, and we have the liner at the bottom as well, so things don't move. And here on top we have those. These doors are also slow motion. Slow motion in the sense, soft closing. Yeah. So we are going to have air glasses on the doors, and the shelves also will be of glass. And then as these doors, you can see this ones also have different partitions to keep different items. And the doors are also has slow motion. You can see it closes on its own. Okay. And then here we come. It's a big drawers, deep of like 39 to 40 cm to keep your pans and etc. These both of them are big. And here you have different partitions. This you want to put your pans and plates and etc. This setting can be done the way you need it. And then this is the space again for the fridge. That side is the freezer, here it is the fridge. So that's it. So thank you very much, guys.